Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2018 V6 Volkswagen Amarok. This model runs from 12th month 2010 and is still the current shape. Stock number on this one is 4525. This vehicle has a 3-litre diesel turbocharged engine. Engine code on this one is DDXC. It's backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. Transmission code is SZH. Here we have the 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine with engine code DDXC. This vehicle has stain damage in the front of the vehicle. Left-hand guard and bonnet is damaged in the accident. This car came fitted with 20-inch factory alloy rims. Left-hand front has a little bit of gutter rash with an average tyre. Left-hand door mirror, electric type with no indicator. Left-hand front door is in good insurance quality. Left-hand rear door also in good insurance quality. This vehicle is fitted with factory side steps. This is the left-hand one. Left-hand rear 20-inch factory alloy. A little bit of gutter rash with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tower gate is in good insurance quality, comes complete with your handle and badges. Your rear chrome factory bar with step. It has factory parking sensors as well. Here we have your factory Volkswagen tow bar. Here we have a aftermarket rolling electric tonneau cover. Right hand tail light. Right hand rear factory 20-inch alloy rim with a little bit of gutter rash, good tyre. This vehicle is also fitted with a factory alloy sports bar, as you can see. Right hand rear door, good insurance quality. Right hand front door, once again in good insurance quality. Right hand factory side step, in good condition. Right hand electric door mirror, non-indicator type. Right hand guard was damaged in the accident. Right hand front factory 20-inch alloy rim. This vehicle is fitted with the factory black leather interior. Here we have the console lid with an automatic dash assembly. This vehicle has the factory sat-nav unit with CD and radio and voice control. Here we have the 3-spoke factory black leather steering wheel. We have the courtesy light with sunglass holder. Passenger side sun visor. Driver side sun visor. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.